गाइस, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। देखिए आज हम इंग्लिश के दो कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। पहला का नाम है जेलस ऑफ, दूसरे का नाम है डिजायरस ऑफ। ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ है जेलस ऑफ और सेकेंड वन इज डिजायरस ऑफ। ठीक है, इन दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, ये बहुत ही आसान कॉन्सेप्ट है, आप लोग को बस कुछ नहीं रट्टा करना है। देखिए जेलस ऑफ का मतलब होता है किसी से जलन करना, किसी भी चीज के लिए। ठीक है, किसी से जलन करना किसी भी चीज के लिए क्या होता है, जलन करना। अभी इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेट करेंगे, आप लोग भी खुद से माउथ कर सकते हैं, जलन करना। ठीक है, और डिजायरस का मतलब होता है इच्छुक होना, इच्छुक होना किसी भी चीज के लिए, एनीथिंग वट एवर यू लाइक। ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस टू कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ इंग्लिश। First is jealous of. How can we use jealous of? Jealous of is a word you can use by only simple meaning, like he is, I was, we were. Only we have to use this word, jealous of. Jealous of, jealous of, jealous of. Okay, and now what whichever person is jealous of anything, whatever, like he is jealous of me, वो मुझसे जलता है। ठीक है, he is jealous of my money, he is jealous of, we were jealous of your success. If you want to use the jealous of, the meaning of jealous of word jealous of, you have to only simple use, which you can use in simple sentences. He is, he was, he is, and now I am, she are, oh sorry, you are, and after that you have to use this word jealous of. And whichever person you use that is jealous of something, you can use jealous of something. Okay, now what is the simple structure of this jealous of? The simple structure of jealous of is subject plus auxiliary verb plus jealous of and plus whatever something. Whatever that person is jealous of something, you can use, like he is jealous of, he is, auxiliary verb is jealous of me. Something is it's me, it's in the place of something. Now he is jealous of my success, he is jealous of my success. What is the word used in the word of something? That is my success. Okay, now this is the structure. You can remember, or you can only use jealous of. He is jealous of me, he is jealous of anything, he is jealous of my subscribers, he is jealous of my mobile, he is jealous of my mother, he is jealous of my father. Whatever you can use anything. Now this structure is also applied on this word desirous of, इच्छुक होना। इच्छुक होना मतलब आप लोग समझ चुके होंगे कि इच्छुक होने का मतलब किसी चीज की इच्छा करना। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डिजायरस ऑफ। द वर्ड जेलस ऑफ रिप्लेस्ड बाय डिजायरस ऑफ। डिजायर ऑफ समथिंग, ही इज डिजायरस ऑफ हिज सक्सेस, वो अपने सक्सेस को लेकर डिजायरस है, इच्छुक है। You can use he is desirous of his mother, he is desirous of his father, he is desirous of. If you use a verb, then the verb comes in ing form. In which form? Ing form. Now let's take an example. A subject plus auxiliary verb plus desirous of plus something. If you use at the place of something, you have to use if you use a verb at the place of something, then you use to the verb in ing form. Let's take an example. He is desirous of, he is desirous of getting, get means पाना, find करना, getting a good job. He is desirous of getting a good job. You can see that a verb is come in this sentence, that is get. The form of get is ing form. Now let's take another example. I wants to. It's a wrong sentence. I want to. There is no auxiliary verb. You have to use only auxiliary verb sentences. Like I am desirous of. I am desirous of. And for which I am desirous of? To becoming. And to becoming is a wrong sentence. Just because of to and ing form is not used in only same sentences. You have to use only ing form, not to. So I am desirous of becoming a doctor. I am desirous of becoming a doctor. You can see this by an example. Now let's see what the example. I am desirous of. If you we or you use zealous of, then the verb is also comes in ing form. You remember this. I am desirous of becoming a doctor. You can see the verb is coming ing form. Okay, I hope you understand these two meanings. Now let's check some errors, some places you can also find out. I can write some sentences. You have to find out the errors. By learning the concept of jealous of, you can see that the word jealous means it used always with the preposition of, so not used with to. So it's a wrong sentence by the using of to. If we use in place of to of, then the sentence is right. That is, I am jealous of your success. It's not mean I am jealous to your success. It's a wrong sentence. You can see. You can see this sentence, you was desirous a cup of coffee. आप एक कॉफी के लिए desirous है, means this sentence is wrong. Just because of a word is desirous is always used with a preposition that is of. It's a wrong sentence if you use in desirous after desirous a word of, then it's the right sentence. You are desirous of a cup of coffee. Okay, right? You can see, you can understand. I hope. Like and subscribe and share.